The 2027 Lexus LFA BEV signals the return of one of the most celebrated Japanese supercars, now powered entirely by electricity, combining breathtaking performance, advanced battery technology, striking design, and Lexus's renowned craftsmanship. This next-generation Halo model aims to redefine what an electric grand touring supercar can deliver on both road and track. Unlike the original LFA, which earned legendary status with its high-revving V10 engine, this next-generation model embraces a fully electric future. Built as a flagship performance EV, it has been developed alongside Toyota Gazoo Racing's latest high-performance projects, although final production specifications remain under wraps. Industry reports suggest a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system producing well over 700 horsepower. Instant electric torque could launch the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.5 seconds, putting it in direct competition with some of the world's quickest electric supercars. Rather than focusing solely on outright power, engineers are reportedly prioritizing lightweight construction, a perfectly balanced chassis, and razor-sharp handling. Advanced battery technology, rapid charging, and intelligent torque vectoring are all expected to contribute to an engaging driving experience that feels every bit as exciting as its legendary predecessor. The exterior of the 2027 Lexus LFA BEV is instantly recognizable as a modern supercar. Inspired by the LFZC and Lexus Sport concept, it features an ultra-low stance, a long bonnet, muscular rear fenders, and a sleek fastback silhouette that gives it a dramatic road presence. Slim LED headlights, sculpted body panels, and functional air channels improve both cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Every curve serves a purpose, helping generate downforce while maintaining the elegant styling expected from a flagship performance model. The lightweight aluminum architecture is designed to offset battery weight while improving rigidity and handling, measuring roughly 4.7 meters long and just under 1.2 meters tall. The proportions remain unmistakably exotic. Large forged wheels, carbon fiber exterior components, active aerodynamic elements, and a bold rear diffuser complete the aggressive yet sophisticated design. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed with the driver firmly at the center of attention. Instead of overwhelming occupants with countless buttons, the dashboard adopts a clean, minimalist layout, where every control is positioned for easy access during spirited driving. Premium leather, Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum trim create a luxurious atmosphere, while a fully digital instrument cluster delivers customizable driving information. Deeply bolstered bucket seats, a performance-focused steering wheel, and a low seating position reinforce the feeling of driving a genuine supercar. Although practicality takes a back seat in this dedicated two-seater, comfort and build quality remain unmistakably Lexus. Official pricing is yet to be announced, but most analysts expect a starting price of more than $200,000, making it one of the most expensive production models the company has ever offered. Limited production launch editions could command significantly higher prices due to expected demand and exclusivity.